ISSN stands for International Standard Serial Number. It is an 8-digit code used internationally to uniquely identify serial publications, such as journals, magazines, newspapers, and newsletters, whether in print or online format. Each different title, and sometimes each medium, like print versus online, gets its own unique ISSN. It's like a permanent ID for that publication, helping libraries, databases, publishers, and researchers track and find them easily. The ISSN system allows for efficient management and accessibility of numerous ongoing or continuing resources, making it indispensable in the world of academic and professional publishing. With each publication having its own unique ISSN, researchers can quickly locate the specific resources they need, streamlining their work and enhancing productivity. The uniqueness of each ISSN not only aids in identification, but also fosters collaboration among librarians, researchers, and publishers, creating a more connected academic community. Understanding the significance of ISSN helps students and professionals alike appreciate the importance of accurate citation and resource tracking in academic work. As education increasingly shifts to digital formats, the role of ISSN remains crucial in navigating the vast array of information available across different mediums.